Did you know that a raised garden bed can increase vegetable yields by as much as 50%? Yet, most gardeners still struggle with poor soil quality and pest control. Could a raised garden bed with legs be the solution? Question mark. All right, guys, let's get into the fun part, the unboxing. This is by Out Sunny. It's big enough that we needed 2 people to haul this, but here it is. We actually picked up 2 of these yesterday. All right, let's open up this bad boy. What's going on, everyone? Today we're checking out this raised garden bed with legs, a full planter box kit that could revolutionize your gardening experience, whether you're a novice or a seasoned gardener. So let's dive in and see if this could be a game changer for your garden. Traditional gardening has its challenges: back pain from bending over, pests invading your plants, and limited space that makes it hard to grow everything you want. These issues can turn gardening into more of a chore than a joy. But what if there was a more accessible and efficient way to garden? That's where raised garden boxes with legs come in, offering a solution that's easy on your back, keeps pests at bay, and fits even in small spaces. Now let's talk about the features and benefits of these raised garden boxes with legs. They're designed to be waist high, so you can garden without the strain of bending over. The elevated design also improves drainage and airflow, reducing the risk of waterlogged soil and root rot. Plus, being off the ground helps keep pests like rabbits and slugs away from your plants. These boxes come in various designs and materials, from wood to metal, allowing you to choose the best fit for your garden's aesthetics and your personal needs. All right, let me show you my own raised garden box with legs that I recently put together. As you can see, the setup was straightforward. It took me about 15 to 30 minutes to put it all together, with some help. The kit comes with everything you need, including tools, but I found that having a screwdriver or a drill on hand made the process even quicker. The design is sleek, with waterproofing at the bottom and drainage holes to prevent water buildup. I filled it up with 5 cubic feet of soil, added the bed liner, and now it's all set for planting. I planted some herbs and it's holding up beautifully. The heavy-duty construction gives me confidence that it will last through multiple seasons. This garden box with legs is not just about convenience. It's about enhancing your overall gardening experience. With better accessibility, improved drainage, and effective pest control, it's a must-have for any gardener looking to make their gardening more enjoyable and productive. Well, there you have it, guys. This is the raised garden bed. We have the plants planted. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And let me know what challenges and successes you've had with gardening. And make sure you watch my other videos to elevate your gardening game. And like always, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.